Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here in the main office at Boris Elementary, and just another short lesson following the assembly where I spoke about looking at our heart first and not bullying anyone that we meet. I'm in front of the drinking fountain too, and we have the sign here which says Chargers are bold. But this one down here says determined to do our best. And you think about a drinking fountain, right? And if you push it to go, the water flows, right? It keeps going and going. But sometimes in our life, maybe we kind of stop and we stop treating people the right way, or we're not as nice to someone, we're not as kind. But we can always start again. And that's part of doing our best. And even if we don't get it right the first time, even if we don't treat somebody or maybe have a bad day and treat somebody kind of mean, we can still turn that around and start to treat them nicely. Treat them with kindness, with compassion, with respect, and be a best friend, because that is being bold. Peace.